G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. I'm just going to give you a run through today of our heavy duty fridge slide with cutlery bench, just what you'd be receiving if you wanted to go ahead and order one. So first up, you're going to see you get your 4-pack of restraint straps. You're going to have your fridge slide it yourself. That's going to be operating on our heavy duty 227 kilo lock-in lock-out slides. So you're going to see you get full extension from those slides. So your entire fridge is going to come out. You're going to be able to access that unit well out of your caravan or your canopy or wherever you're installing it. The tray itself, the dimensions are noted on the site, so you can just cross-reference these to the fridge you've got to make sure it's going to fit. Obviously we can help you with that as well if you have questions. Underneath here we have our cutlery bench. So that's a table that you can operate off. You can put weight on that. It runs on our 125 kilo slide, so it's also going to handle the weight of what you want to put on this. And you've got the added luxury of this lift-up lid, giving you space underneath for all your salts and peppers and spatulas and knives and forks and all those sort of things you want to have close by. That's also on your lock-in, lock-out, so when you're done you just press on that lever and you close it shut. It's going to be a little bit tricky in the size of this room, but you can do both together. So you can do one or the other or both together with this unit. It's built on 3mm aluminium. It's folded and welded in our Brisbane workshop. This is an Australian-made product that we're very proud of. If you have any questions, please give us a call or flick us an email.